My name is Emily and I'm studying photography, law and art. I've always really enjoyed art, and photography went really well in hand with art, and I've found that the skills that I learned in photography are really transferable to art. The thing that I like most about the course is being able to come in every day and learn something new. You know, you walk out and it's fresh and it's new and it's exciting, and you never know what you're going to get when you come in next time. That's always really fun. A lot of times we come into the studio and we do studio sessions, which are really exciting. I think the best thing about studying at Coleg Gwent would be the opportunities that you get here. You know, the amount of trips that I've been in the last 6 months are, more than I had done in my 5 years at GCSE. I chose Coleg Gwent because I knew that I needed the A-levels to progress onto university, which is my plan for the future. I also wasn't quite ready for work yet. You know, all my friends were here, we were kind of learning and we were growing at the same time, and that was really nice because I didn't feel the pressure to kind of grow up too fast. I would recommend Coleg Gwent because I think that, the opportunities that you get here are like second to none, especially when you're in the middle of the valleys. Being able to have all of this equipment at your disposal, especially with photography and art, it can be really valuable.